we are installing a new bilge pump.
Mother trucker.
But my thing is...
I'm not playing this.
Yeah, this is your music.
It's not.
Yes. Can I move my fingers? Now Jesse has a hose going into our boat.
Look, I'm fully letting water in.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you didn't watch the last episode, I tried to install a new bilge pump myself, but I ended up getting one that couldn't fit in our compartment. So Jesse brought one all the way back from Australia, and today we are going to install it into our boat. If you're not familiar with what a bilge pump is, it is one of the most important safety systems on a boat. It's designed to automatically pump out water from the lowest point of the boat, which is the bilge. In case a water leak from rain, a rogue wave, even a minor leak that builds up, the bilge kicks in and stops your boat from slowly filling with water. So it's a really crucial and important part that we need to have working on our boat. And right now we're attaching the electrical cables so we can plug it in and it's connected to our power.
Yes. You hold that there. You need to do this top one and this bottom one. And once you got the screw in, you look at the bottom one here if it's still lined up.
The space we have for the bilge pump is really small, but we need to get it in to test to see if it's working.
No, keep it on your head, trust me.
No, that's better. Bada bing, bada boom. The screw for this one is like towards the left. You just want me to make a new puncture?
Let me see how far to the left.
Like, do you see? Oh, that's like way to the left, like in the left top corner. Get the screw.
Wait. Okay, so you can imagine if without that pump, if we would have started taking on water, you would be manually pumping.
This is the manual pump. Every boat has one, so if the electrics go out or your bilge pump doesn't work, you can manually do it yourself.
And you just go bang,
Yeah.
bang. Now, with it on auto, this will kick in if we're sleeping, if anything happens. But we'll have a look how quick this goes. And it doesn't go up the water.
Holy moly. Gets dumped out here. And so if our boat was filling with water, it would come out through here.
Now that the electrics are working and the hoses, we have to install it into the wall.
Woo! I refuse to do anything more. No wonder sailors drink so much.
Good thing is
Thank the Lord!
just do one last little favor there for me.
Filling our boat with water.
Make sure to send it on auto.
Auto.
There.
That.
Success! You can hear and see the water getting sucked from the left and spit out on the right side.
Stoked on that. No, that's really amazing.
What would you rate that project 1 out of 10?
A bit confusing initially, but once you understood the direction of the pump, yeah, straightforward, I guess. All right.